Cut. Okay. These are complete cutaways. And then, if we have time, I'd like to do a so you're over here, close up on Snuff.
Alrighty.
And 2 is a close up on Bird. Do the next 2 seconds that way, and then we'll do the dance.
Whatever your heart desires.
So you'll start over here.
All right, do one more for sake.
Here we go. And
Ready, Bird? Yeah.
5.
Big Bird is actually low tech. You have to do it by putting your hand up into the head.
My right hand operates the mouth of the puppet.
With my little finger, I can push the lever up and down and it raises his eyebrows.
This is just a couple pounds, and like while you're talking to somebody, hold it above your head. Also do it blindfolded and wearing like a down coat.
The left hand is strictly just in the left wing.
And there is a fishing wire that goes up through the neck of Big Bird, down to the right wing. It operates as a counterbalance.
There's the Big Bird legs, which Caroll wears like pants. Couture pair of giant orange pants.
Inside, it is completely disorienting because everything inside glows yellow. But you have a monitor on your chest that shows you what people see at home.
We call the device I wear an electronic bra.
The puppeteers all read the script while they're puppeteering.
I figure out a way to take my scripts inside. I call it script origami.
So Caroll, inside Big Bird, has the script right here with his little glasses, reading the lines while he's looking at the monitor while he's doing all these other things.
The confusing thing about looking at a monitor is you at home see Big Bird walk off to your right. I have to actually walk to my left.
Sorry. Chef, there's a cable. Come to your left just a little bit. Yep.
Here I am.
So like with his right hand, he's worried about eyeliner and lip sync. With his left hand, he's just trying to keep the thing alive. With his speed, he's going to try not to trip over a monitor or Carmen. And meanwhile, he's supposed to be looking at this little monitor, which is his only window out to the world. Taped around the monitor is his script. It's really quite an amazing dance and a coordinated effort to pull that thing off.
And you totally just take it for granted that he's doing it, and it seems like an easy gig. It's not.
Too dangerous.
I think I saved his life at least once.
Being Big Bird can be hazardous to your health.
When you do this over and over, there's a tendon here, a muscle, that heats up, and you can feel it getting hotter. All of a sudden, it just dropped. It just turned off, like you had turned off the button for that arm.
I've had injuries in my neck and back. We've even had to stop production so I could lay down on the floor. But thank goodness Caroll wasn't there that day. I would have been very embarrassed.
Wait a minute, look at this. The horse's head is completely missing. Whee!
Oh, that is wonderful, Bird.
Uh-oh.
I'll find out.
Why are you barking at me?
Oh, I thought maybe you were some kind of little dog,
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm not a dog.
Oh.
Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Meow.